Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to block IP address from Shopify. So let's get started. First, open up your Shopify admin. To block a customer or prevent spam and fraudulent orders, we'll use an integration. Go to your apps and then open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Fraud Filter. This is a free app by Shopify that helps you create custom filters to block unwanted customers and orders. Open it, then click Install App. After you install it, make sure to connect it to your Shopify. Now you will taken to Fraud Filter Blocker main page. Here you can see a bunch of different options available, like under Configuration, you can choose Block IP, Block Visitor ID, Block Location, Block User Agent, and more. Since we want to block the IP address, click on Block IP. Here under Visitor IP column, just click Add New IP. Next, give your filter a note. For example, Test Orders if you want to block people who try to place test or fake orders. Then enter your IP list here. Next, add the rule Save It, and that IP address won't be able to place any orders on your store. That's how you can block specific customers and fraudulent activity on Shopify using the Fraud Filter app. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.